Welcome to Wi-Fi Hub. Linksys router won't stop blinking. 1. Try a quick reboot. Shut down all your networking devices, unplug the power cord of your router from the power outlet, allow it to sit for 30 seconds unplugged, plug back in and turn on the router, wait for it to completely boot up. 2. Update the Linksys router firmware. You will have to update its firmware if the lights continue to blink. Make sure that you download the correct firmware for the specific router you own to prevent further technical problems. 3. Assign a static IP address to your PC. Right-click the Network User Added icon located at the bottom right corner of your desktop screen. Click Network and Sharing Center. Then, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click the Local Area Connection icon, and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, on the Local Area Connection Properties window. Click the radio button beside Use the following IP address. You may now enter the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway in the fields provided. The default values for the IP address and subnet mask are 192.168.1.1 and 255.255.255.0 respectively. Enter a preferred DNS server. This is obtained from your internet service provider. Click OK. 4. Reset your Linksys router. With something small and pointed, like a paperclip, press and hold the reset button of your router for 30 seconds. Thank you for watching.